Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to disable autocomplete in Safari on your MacBook, and also how to clear autofill suggestions and entry history. If Safari keeps automatically filling passwords, emails, payment methods, or showing old suggestions you no longer want, then this guide will help you clean everything up. Let's begin. Open Safari on your Mac. Now move to the top menu bar and click Safari, then choose Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click the Autofill tab at the top. Here you'll see different autofill options that Safari can use automatically while browsing. You can uncheck using information from contacts if you do not want Safari filling names, addresses, phone numbers, or email details from your Contacts app. You can also disable usernames and passwords if you no longer want Safari to automatically fill login information on websites. Below that, you'll see Credit Cards, which controls saved payment methods for online purchases. There is also Other Forms, which handles information entered into website forms. Simply uncheck any option you want to disable. The changes are saved automatically. So once you are done, you can close the settings window. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelphStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now, if you only want to remove the suggestions that appear when clicking on a search bar, username field, or email field on websites, that is usually related to browsing history and stored website data rather than Safari autofill itself. To clear that, open Safari and click History in the top menu bar. Then choose Clear History. A small window will appear where you can choose the time range. Select All History if you want to completely remove old suggestions and stored browsing entries. Keep in mind this can also remove cookies, cached website data, and your browsing history. Once selected, click Clear History. After that, many of the old search and form suggestions should disappear. And that's it. You now know how to disable autofill features and clear stored suggestions in Safari on your MacBook. Thanks for watching this DelphStack tutorial video.